guys, Kyla here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys is another phone review and unboxing. At the phone na i-review natin guys is galing kay Oppo. And this is the Oppo Reno13F 4G. So ano pa hinihintay natin guys? And let's start the unboxing. Now let us start with the unboxing. Inside the box, we will see here a quick start guide and safety guide. We also have here a protective case, and of course the Oppo Reno13F 4G. A 45 watts adapter, and the Type-C USB cable. Now let us talk about the design for the Oppo Reno13F 4G. So for its design guys, this has a urban avant-garde aesthetic. And the Oppo 13F 4G also has 3 different colors. We have the plum purple, skyline blue, and graphite gray. So the color that we have here guys is the plum purple. For its design guys, is napakaganda talaga ng kanyang design. Like, as you can see here mayroon siyang parang butterfly effect sa kanyang design. And if you're a girly girl like me, I love this design. Like, super. Tingnan nyo, may nag-form na parang butterfly effect sa kanyang design. And I really love that touch. Napakaganda and napaka-unique na design, guys. So for the plum purple, guys, this delicate light purple tone is enhanced with innovative plums that create a swirling revolution of light and shadow, bringing your phone to life in a brand new way. So for the Oppo 13F 4G, it has a weight of 192 grams and a thickness of 7.76 millimeters. Now let us check if this is a dual SIM or a single SIM. So as you can see here guys, this is a dual SIM. At dito sa kanyang dual SIM guys, yung isa dito yung SIM 2, you can also change it into a micro SD card slot. So dito pwede siyang maging SIM tray or it can also be a micro SD card slot. And additional information lang guys, para sa ating Oppo Reno13F 4G, it doesn't have any audio jack. So as you can see here on the bottom, walang audio jack dito or neither in the top, walang audio jack dito. So if you're going to listen to any music guys, I recommend that you use a Type-C earphones or headphones, or you can also use wireless devices katulad na lamang ng wireless earphones or headphones or Bluetooth speakers. And now let's talk about the display. So for its display guys, this has a 6.67 AMOLED screen display. So para sa ating Oppo Reno13F 4G, it has an AMOLED screen display. At napakaganda rin nito guys kasi with the AMOLED screen display, you can expect to have a greater range of color options and a better looking images and videos. And for its resolution guys, this has a 1080p by 2400 resolution. At dito meron din itong 120Hz screen refresh rate. So dito sa ating Oppo Reno13F 4G, i-expect nyo na guys na meron siyang smoother and better animations thanks to the 120Hz screen refresh rate. And now let's talk about the performance. For its performance guys, this has a MediaTek Helio G100. So dito sa ating MediaTek Helio G100, you can experience a long battery life, enhanced camera function, and a great all-round gaming experience. At dito sa ating Oppo Reno13F 4G, it has a storage of 8GB of RAM with 256GB of ROM. At kung gusto mong malaman guys kung magkano itong Oppo Reno13F 4G natin, Stay tuned and watch until the very end kasi sa huli ko na sasabihin ang kanyang pricing. At para sa ating Oppo Reno13F 4G, I also conducted a Geekbench test. So here are the results. So ito yung results niya guys for the CPU, and here are the results for the GPU. And now let's talk about the IP. For the IP guys, this has an IP69 dust and water resistance. The Oppo Reno13F 4G passes the IP69, IP68, and IP66 tests, and it offers industry-leading water and dust resistance, withstanding water even at high temperature and pressure. And now let's talk about the speakers. For its speakers guys, this has a dual stereo speakers. So we have a speaker on the bottom and another speaker here on the top. And thanks to the dual stereo speakers guys, this provides an immersive sound experience.
Somebody's watching me, it's my anxiety.
And now let's talk about the gaming. So first gaming guys, this is a solid choice for gamers seeking a device that balances performance and affordability. Its vibrant display, long battery life, and fast charging capabilities make it a reliable choice for everyday gaming experience. However, for those who are seeking graphically intense games at high settings, you might consider alternatives with more powerful processors and a 5G support. Kasi dito guys, again, this is the 4G version. So if you're wondering if the Oppo Reno13F series has a 5G version, yes na yes. Kasi meron ditong 5G version guys. At dito sa ating Oppo Reno13F 4G is meron din itong AI multi-cooling system that helps keeps your phone cooler even at running intensive games. And now let's talk about the battery. So para sa usapang battery naman guys, is nag-upgrade ang kanyang battery. If we are going to compare it to its previous version, katulad na lang ng Oppo Reno12F series, is nag-upgrade ang kanyang battery. So from 5,000 mAh battery, naging 5,800 mAh battery ang meron na dito kay Oppo Reno13F series. And this also has a 45 watts SuperVOOC flash charge. And finally, for its camera. For its camera, guys, this has a triple camera setup. So we have a 50MP OIS main camera. And another additional info, guys, OIS stands for Optical Image Stabilization. So dito, kahit shaky ang inyong kamay, is you don't have to worry. Kasi nga meron itong OIS feature. So it helps to make your picture taking and video taking more stable. And thanks to this, it will give you a more stable and better results for your pictures and especially for your videos. We also have here the 8MP ultra wide angle camera. And we also have the 2MP macro camera. At para naman sa kanyang selfie camera guys, we have a 32MP selfie camera. At para naman sa kanyang video recording guys, you can record up to 1080p with 30 or 60 frames per second. At dito sa ating Oppo Reno13F, is pwedeng-pwede dito ang underwater photography. Kasi sa kanyang camera guys, is meron tayo ditong underwater photography feature. So kahit maglubog ka pa sa swimming pool, kahit maglubog ka pa underwater, is pwedeng-pwede ka dyan mag-take ng pictures and video. And you don't have to worry about water getting in kasi meron siyang self-draining mechanism guys. Yung mga water na kung sakaling nakapasok man dyan, is kayang-kaya niyang i-drain palabas guys. So you don't have to worry about the underwater photography para sa ating Oppo Reno13F 4G. At maliban dyan guys, is meron din itong AI features. Katulad na laman ng AI Live Photo, AI Clarity Enhancer, AI Unblur, AI Reflection Remover, AI Motion, and AI re-image. Now, here are some pictures and videos for you to see. So, as you can see here guys, sobrang na-amaze ako sa kanyang nature shots. Kasi as you can see here, I set it on a portrait mode at dito makikita mo talaga ang mga detail at napakaganda at napaka high quality ang naging outcome nito. At pati ang mga raindrops is kitang-kita dito sa Oppo Reno13F 4G. However guys, when it comes to the videos, this is more of an average camera. At saktong-sakto dito is nagkaroon ng sunset and there we have it. The sunset shot that I have with the Oppo Reno13F 4G. Now for its portrait mode on a selfie camera guys, is maganda ang kuha niya. Especially when you are in a good lighting. And now for the pricing. So para sa pricing ng ating Oppo Reno13F 4G na kung saan mayroong 8GB of RAM with 256GB of ROM, it has a pricing of 17,999. So para sa ating final verdict guys for the Oppo Reno13F 4G, it stands out as a well-rounded smartphone offering a premium display at an affordable price. So despite lacking the 5G support kasi nga this is the 4G version, it is still a great choice for users who prioritizes battery life and great display quality. So what do you think guys about the 4G version of the Oppo Reno13F series? Let me know in the comments down below. And gentle reminder lang guys, this is again the 4G version. And that is all guys for today's video. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So that is all guys. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next unboxing and phone review.